Planning to build your dream home? A construction loan can make it possible. Unlike a regular mortgage, a construction loan funds the building process from start to finish. The lender releases money in stages as the construction progresses. These payments are called draws, and they go directly to your builder or contractor. During construction, you usually pay interest only, not full mortgage payments. Once the home is complete, the loan can convert into a standard mortgage. Approval is based on your income, credit, builder plans, and full construction budget. Construction loans give you control and flexibility to build exactly what you want. Ready to turn your blueprint into reality? We're here to help.